Hey guys, what's up? It's John from Side Hustle Experiment. I hope you're having a great day. Today was a really good day. I'm going to talk about what happened today. So let's just get into it. So this helper came again today. We had another great day. We got through 5 gaylords and they were there for 8 hours, but we took a half-hour break for lunch, and then we also took some other breaks. So I mean, if we're both working on them together, ideally I'd like to get through them in an hour. But yeah, we'll work up to that. The goal would be for them to be able to do by themselves in about an hour and a half. Supposedly people say that's a decent time to shoot for. I mean, again, like, it all depends on what's in the Gaylord as well, how much you have to sort out. We do a lot of eBay sorting, so it just really depends. So yeah, we got through 5 gaylords. The books finally came today. I've been waiting for these books from a new source for about 2 weeks. The freight company finally came. The supplier was super sorry about it, and he's a good guy. You know, sometimes things just happen. Things don't go your way. And that is just kind of what this happened here. It just, whatever. The freight got super delayed. I mean, he was threatening to call the cops to the company, and it was just a mess. But I got them. We will start to go through them tomorrow. This is definitely interesting. So this person's a merchant fulfilled seller. So they scan for merchant fulfilled. So they said there's usually plenty of meat on the bone for an FBA seller. We'll see how that goes. If it doesn't go well, at least I tried it. But there's also potential to get raw stuff that hasn't been gone through. So, I mean, whatever. We're gonna try it. We're gonna see what happens, and we're gonna go from there. Tomorrow, a huge potential supplier is coming to visit. They are coming from, I think, Chicago. I don't even know. But they're visiting other places in the area, and they wanted to see my facility. A little nervous about it, but we'll see how it goes. They were supposed to come tomorrow morning, so I was gonna get, like, you know, bagels or donuts and coffee, but their plane got messed up, or they missed a connecting flight, so now they're not coming to the afternoon. So I gotta figure something out there. I don't know if they're gonna want to get lunch, or they're just gonna be super backed up and just need to get on with the day. So I'm still waiting to hear back when they think a good time for them would be to come visit. But everything looks really good. It was nice to get the delivery from the other supplier, because the warehouse looks nice and full now. It looks awesome. Everything's cleaned up, swept up. The office is organized. Might do a little finishing touches tomorrow, but it's basically like, think of it like, the warehouse, I will say, is usually pretty clean. I mean, but you just want it to look the best. I mean, so that's kind of what it looks like now. And I'm excited to meet them. We'll see how it goes. When I talked to them about a month ago, they said that they didn't really have any supply at the current moment. I was able to create a vendor account. Everything checked out with our business credit and all that good stuff. So we're in the system, ready to go as soon as they have material. I'm not 100% sure if, you know, before we do business, they would want to check out the facility. I actually was a very nice person, and one of my current suppliers also sells something else that this potential supplier could buy, or many things they could buy, and I suggested they contact them, and they're visiting them too tomorrow. It's just great. Like, I love doing stuff like that because my supplier has been super great to me. I mean, they were helping me push Gaylords into a freaking storage unit in like 10 degrees and did it with like a smile. So I'm hoping something works out for them. There's no threat there because their main business is not books, so I'm not worried about it. They'd rather sell it to me. And plus, my potential supplier doesn't need books if they have excess. So when you can help out, definitely help out and recommend. I don't expect anything. I just want to do a nice thing because they've always done me solids in the past. And it's the right thing to do. Pay it forward. What else is going on? Tomorrow, so I guess, yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it was a good day, not a lot of drama. I had to send first quarter sales to my accountant, so that's always fun to have to get together, you know, all those sales and send it over. So that got done. And yeah, we found me and the helper, we found a ton of stuff for eBay in this batch. I have to say, they're doing a great job. They are very into history, art, music. I know like they have a very good eye for stuff that could be a potential fit for eBay. I mean, it's only been 2 days. So that has been awesome. So yeah, I don't know exactly how I'm going to structure tomorrow. Basically, I don't know if we're going to go through the eBay stuff together, or I'm going to have him just scan the new books and I'll go through the eBay stuff. We're really going to play it by ear. So yeah, we also have to box up the books for the lister. So I'll probably have him do that and kind of show him how to do that. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be another action-packed day. All good stuff. It's amazing. I feel like last week just really did not go my way. I mean, it went all right, but you know, not compared to what I was expecting. But this week is off to a great start. It just goes to show you guys, like, it doesn't always go well. Like, to be honest, I'd say it's maybe 50-50 at best. Not 50-50, but you know what I mean? Like, every day isn't great. Like, you don't get through 5 Gaylords. Like some days things just break. People don't show up. Like, the freight gets delayed. But, like, you just got to push through all that stuff and make the best of it. I mean, there's just really no substitute. I mean, that's one of the reasons why I want to document, like, my journey on this YouTube, like what's moving forward. I kind of wish I did it a lot more, but also it's like I don't mind sharing this because a lot of the stuff people aren't going to do it anyway. So I mean, like recently Amazon, this was about, I don't know, a month ago, announced that they're going to charge more fees. They do this every year. I don't know why people are surprised by this. I mean, why wouldn't they? Expenses going up all the time. And then people, all they do is complain, oh my God, and then they stop selling. And that makes it good for us because then, you know, it's less competition. So that's the bottom line, guys. You gotta like hang in there, stick with it. You can't build a successful Amazon business in a month or two. I mean, I didn't even know what the hell I was doing until like 6 months in. Like, yeah, I was scanning on apps and, you know, getting books, but like by the time you learn to list, and it just takes time, guys, and like a lot of bad stuff is going to happen. It's called learning, and that's just what it is. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I have a lot to kind of process and think about. I got to think about the tour I'm going to give of the facility, so I'm going to prepare all that tonight, kind of do a practice run through in my head, probably with my girlfriend. She probably does not want to hear it, but you know, she's usually very good at helping me sort through this kind of stuff. But yeah, that's what I'll be doing today, and I'll be all set to go for tomorrow. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow and let you know how it goes. Have a good night, guys. Bye.